I found myself walking through a deep forest in a thick fog. How did I get here? I should have been home by now. Suddenly, I saw a bright light before me. It was the hotel.
Do you need a room for the night? My. You certainly do look exhausted, don't you? Well then, I'll get a room ready for you. Right this way, if you don't mind. I'll be happy to show you to your room. I must say, we don't often receive guests at this hour. Perhaps you've somehow managed to lose your way. Or maybe you've just lost your mind. That was a joke. Have a pleasant sleep, my friend. You'll be needing it, believe me.
And so I fell into a deep sleep and began to dream.
Come on now, throw away all them worries. Forget about them. Huh? I can tell you ain't from around these parts. What's the deal, bud? Are you lost or something? Don't be embarrassed. You can tell me. What? You can't get back? Okay, how's about I make you a little deal? See, my job is removing lost souls from the living world. And that hotel is full of lost souls what needs to be removed right away. Hoo-ah! If you go in and find them, I'll show you the way back. I even got some body you can use. It's a little small, but hey, what you gonna do, right? When you find them all, come see me again in your dreams. You got that? See you later.